Look at me and smile. Do you like being outside? What do you think about all this snow? Can you make a snow angel? Or crawl around? What do you like to do?
I wanna go after as soon as
Okay, go for it. Go right over there. Start crawling.
I like crawling like a little baby.
Yeah.
It'll be a big slide down.
It's so far away. You might need to just crawl right there.
Look.